Wi-Fi woes on your Poco X7? Here's how to get back online, fast. First up, restart both your phone and router. Sometimes a simple reboot can work wonders. Next, double-check your network details. Make sure you've got the right password and the network is visible. Still no luck? Move closer to your router for a stronger signal. Now for something advanced, forget and reconnect to the network. Go to Wi-Fi settings, select your network, and hit forget. Reconnect and enter the password again. Another tip, check for software updates. A quick update might just fix your issue. And don't forget about interference. Move away from microwaves or Bluetooth devices. If all else fails, reset your Wi-Fi settings. Go to Settings System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. If you suspect hardware damage or router issues, check your router's firmware or contact your network provider. With these tips, your Poco X7 should be Wi-Fi ready in no time.